Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Allure beauty box for the month of June. I'll pop all the information here while I get some scissors. I have received the Allure beauty box off and on for a very long time. It's actually one of the very first ones that I ever started out with back in like 2018, I would say. And I've generally had really good experiences with it. I will note that if you're somebody that's looking for a more makeup focused, makeup heavy box, this probably is not for you, although we do get makeup sometimes. I have generally found that it's a little bit more skincare heavy. However, it's always a wonderful value, and a lot of the times it's new product, new items, it's the latest greatest, and or it is the best of Allure. So it's tried and true, tested, things like that. I also love that we get the informative pamphlet. That's actually one of my favorite parts. Of course, I like all the products, I like the value and stuff like that. I think that every subscription service should take note, and they should do the exact same thing. Once we get through the box, in here is a full breakdown of why they chose the products that they did, pricing, how to use, how to apply, and there's generally a discount code. I love that. Seeing some amazing stuff already. First up, a big ol' gigantic size. I actually have one of these and am currently using it. This is the First Aid Beauty or FAB, the Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. And if you've never tried an exfoliator like this, I always say take a less is more approach. Sometimes they can cause a little bit of reactiveness, things like that. For me personally, it does not do that. It has never done that. And this is a product I really like. I do get KP on the sides of my arms, and it's summertime now. Not that I don't treat it all the time, but you know, I want my skin to be a little bit more smooth during the summer months when, you know, I'm actually showing my arms. All that to say, this is fantastic, and it's a big ass size, y'all. Starting off with a bang. Next up, another staple in our subscription boxes. This is the Aceology, the Here We Glow Berry Mask. Of course, this is a full size. Next up is the David's Hydroxy Whitening and Enamel Health Toothpaste. Okay, I'm intrigued. I like trying new products and new toothpaste and stuff, and if you've tested anything, you've tried any of these your favorite, or we should stay away, let us know. Currently, I'm using the TheraBreath line, the mouthwash and the toothpaste. The mouthwash I've used for many years, repurchased it and everything else, so when I use up the toothpaste, I will definitely be trying this. Next up, wow, that is heavy. This is the Luna Nectar Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. And that is, I'm assuming, a full size. I do actually want to see what this looks like because this feels so nice and so heavy. If I could get it out of here. Oh yeah, that is pretty. It's not as full as I would anticipate it being. Maybe they do that for shipping, but I expected it to be super full. It is glass. That is really nice. And it looks like the type of formula that I like. Like you can see it moving, but it looks like it has a little bit of viscosity to it. I like a serum that has a tiny bit of weight. I don't want one to just kind of feel like water. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but just for me personally, I prefer that. Next up is the Paul Mitchell, the Clear Sensitive Jelly Mask. It softens and glosses. And then last up in my Allure Beauty box for the month of June is the L'Atelier Parfum, the Hair and Body Mist, Bloom in Paris. Ooh. You guys know I have a love-hate relationship with fragrances. I don't actually see the notes on here. Let's try it, and then we'll read down all of our deets. Hopefully this is a sprayer. If it is not for me. It is. It's a nice little mist. It did actually say that it was a hair and body mist, didn't it? Sorry, y'all. All right, I'm gonna spray into the box first. Of course, the way that it smells on a box is not gonna be the same once it touches our skin, but it gives me an idea of if I'm gonna like it or not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like that a lot, so I am spraying it on my body. It is an incredibly fine mister. It's quite a strong floral, so if you like floral leaning a little softer, maybe more powdery notes, this ain't it. It's quite floral. Very aggressive, but I love it. Like, it smells incredible. Alrighty, I will go through our details. Let's see. Alright, with the Allure Beauty box for June, Summer ready. With longer days on the horizon, thank you, summer solstice, I'm feeling energized and ready to take on all that this season has to offer. For me, that means sweaty days in the sun with plenty of SPF, picnics in the park, sardine style, and sweltering subway platforms. And you know what? I'll gladly take it all. Even the citywide sidewalks stink if it means that I won't have to wear a jacket for the next few months. I'm also welcoming a much needed routine refresh, which includes some of the products you'll find in our June Allure Beauty box. For my freshly dyed and dry blonde strands, I'll need the hydrating hair mask, the clay-based face mask to clear out clogged winter pores, the floral forward hair and body mist for freshening up on the go, and more. Warmer weather right this way. And then it will go through our list of products. First up was the First Aid Beauty, the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub 10% AHA Fresh Strawberry, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. As I said, just kind of going with a little bit more caution with this, and you want to protect your skin and use SPF and things like that as well. If you do have sensitive reactive skin like your girl, First Aid Beauty is lovely. Why? You'll love it. Sometimes it's the simple things that make the most impact. That's certainly the case with Fab's skin and body care products, which are fit and formulated for sensitive skin types. You choose one of these 4 full-size heroes to receive in this month's box: a silky body elixir, a glow-inducing powder to foam exfoliator, a body scrub that smells more farm stand than pharmacy, or a coddling face cream. You can't go wrong, no matter which option you selected. And then how you use it, of course, it says depending on the product that you picked. Retail price, the body oil would have been $36, the powder exfoliant would have been $32, the body scrub is $30, that more than pays for our box, and then the face moisturizer would have been $28. You can purchase at firstaidbeauty.com. There is not a discount code this month for that product. Okay, This is nice, you guys. Like, it's very heavy. The Luna Nectar Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Why, you'll love it. Not every face can tolerate the power of retinol, but most can appreciate its more sensitive, skin-friendly alternatives like bakuchiol. The plant-based ingredient is packed into the serum to help target fine lines and smooth texture, just like the vitamin A derivative. How you'll use it. At night, after cleansing, pat 3 drops into the skin from forehead to neck. Follow it up with moisturizer. Do not forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Again, products that are, actives, retinols, AHAs, BHAs, things like that, you want to protect your skin. The retail price is $49, so again, more than pays for our box. Where to purchase? lunanectar.com, and there is a discount code. Receive 20% off with the code Allure20. Valid June 1st through September 1st. That's pretty awesome. Okay, next up is our IPSY, the Here We Glow Berry Mask. Why, you'll love it. This berry yogurt look-alike may not be edible, but it certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks. Just like the juicy fruits. Made with kaolin to deep clean and 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles, dark spots, this face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with a soft radiance. How you'll use it. Slather into freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from the forehead to the chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and welcome your new glow after 20 to 30 minutes. Retail price for this is $69 for 65 mils, and that is the size we got. There is no discount code. Where to purchase? IPSY.com. Next up, love this, the L'Atelier Parfum Hair and Body Mist. Why, you'll love it. If you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin du Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or 2 of this flowery fragrance with rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden's sprawling flowers and fruit trees. Again, it is quite floral and it is very aggressive, but it's beautiful and I love it. This is retail price $57 for 50 mils. We got 10 mils in our box. Where to buy it? The US l'atelierparfum.com. And there is a promo code. Receive 20% off with code Allure20, valid through June 1st through September 1st. That is awesome. Next up is the David's Hydroxy Whitening Enamel Health Peppermint Toothpaste. Wow. Why you'll love it. Who says oral care can't also be chic care? David's mint green tube is filled with SLS-free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth look and feel a little more elevated. How you'll use it? I hope you know already, but I'm going to read it just in case. After flossing, twist off the top and squeeze a pea-sized dollop into your toothbrush, then brush your teeth. Follow with a swish and a swirl of your favorite mouthwash. Retail price is $10.95 for 4 ounces. We got 1.75 ounces in the box. Where to buy it? davids/usa.com. There is no promo code there. And in the Paul Mitchell, you could have gotten one of 2 items. So we received the Paul Mitchell Clear Jelly Mask. Why you'll love it. Dry hair? Yeah, there's a mask for that. Fighting dullness? Yeah, there's the same mask for that, and it's this one with a fragrance-free formula. This translucent jelly-like treatment adds hydration and gleam to your hair without fuss. How you'll use it. After shampooing, rake in the gelatinous goop. That sounds lovely. With your fingers, then leave on 5 to 15 minutes depending on your hair's needs. For dry strands, wear for the full 15 minutes. Rinse, then follow up with your go-to conditioner. Retail price is $30 for 8 ounces. We do get 2 ounces in our box. Where to buy it? paulmitchell.com. And we do have a promo code. Receive 20% off with code Allure, valid June 1st through July 31st. Giving it a 5 out of 5. Round of applause. As per usual, it's fantastic. I think if you are somebody... For me, I always see value because of what I do. Obviously, I get subscription boxes for my channel. I keep the things that I know I'm going to love, use, all the things. I do tons of giveaways. I have gifting things for family and friends, and then I have my resale group over on Facebook. For me, at the end of the day, I always see value. I think also, though, if you are somebody that is new to the realm of skincare, you're trying to dabble in the realm of skincare, you have kind of wanted to try, you've always wanted to try this, whatever the case may be. You can go in for very little money, for roughly like $5 a piece for these products. And instead of paying $30, $40, $50, $60, $70 for a product and hating it, you've paid a lesser amount for a variety of products. So I see value every single time. This is a very good box. I am quite pleased with this box. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. No wrong answers, of course. Did you hate the box? Did you love the box? Do you get Allure? Do you not? And what are your favorite subscription boxes? I'd like to know. Y'all know I'm nosy as hell. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype this video. You can tap the bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.